Finding a way to keep your dorm room organized when it's your first time in college, first dorm room, and probably your first roommate is essential. One of the absolute best things that you can use is going to be your vertical space. That means the space on your wall and your door. And the reason this is cool because it gives you more space, because the horizontal space where your bed and desk and all that stuff is going to be is going to get taken up pretty quick. And so you're going to be looking for more space. It's got a little square on the wall where you can put things in there. You've got shelves that you can put on the wall. And as you see here, there is a place for notebooks and papers as well. And also stuff on the wall gives you a little bit of room to decorate and make a dorm feel more at home. Another thing that is awesome that I never thought about in college, but it would be awesome now, is you can roll up your clothes. I spent all this time in college trying to fold my clothes and fold them all nice and neat and not realizing that I could just roll them up and put them in the drawer and they would look nice. This is the best. Not only is the fact that you can just roll them up, but it doesn't take that long. No one really likes to do laundry. I mean, you have to do laundry, but if you can roll your clothes up and put them in the drawer, and it's not gonna take that long. Now, another way to stay organized is to divide your drawers, and you can do this with a drawer divider. And the cool thing is, after you roll your clothes up, they have drawer dividers that you can put in the drawer, and then you can put your clothes right in there, where there's socks or whatever that you've rolled up, you can put it in there and it will keep them separate. But also it's just going to give you more space. Now, make sure that you can see things clearly. You don't want to be in a dorm and lose something. And trust me, I've been in a dorm and studying and just lost something. Note cards over here, papers over there, wherever. And I'm running around trying to find something and it takes me forever to find it. So find a way not only to organize things, but to make it easy for you to see things. And maybe think about getting something like this, where there's a drawer and it's clear. You can clearly see what's inside that drawer. Trust me, in a dorm, sometimes it's gonna get messy, and that is when you are going to want to be able to see things really quick and not have to search around for it at all. Now, this is related to one of the best things, which is food. You need to have a DIY kitchen area in your dorm, and that means your microwave, your plates, your spoons, your forks, your cups, all in one area. So when you get ready to go and eat and have yourself a bowl of cereal, oatmeal, pizza, whatever you're gonna have, then you know exactly where all the stuff is. If there are no dishes left over there, then you're gonna have to go and wash something so that you can have a dish to eat. Now, another thing to think about is making a charging station, a place with your cords and your cell phones and your tablets all in one place. So when you come home or you're there, you automatically know this is a place that all the cords are. I don't have to go looking for my cord. I know exactly where it is. It's plugged in, come in, put whatever I want to on the cord, and it's gonna charge. When I went to school, didn't really have cell phones, so didn't have to worry about this. Wasn't even an issue. If I had to make a phone call, I picked up the phone that plugged into the wall. We had wireless phones, but they weren't like actual cell phones that you have nowadays, right? This is going to be the place that you know without a doubt. Now, if you are enjoying the content and getting value out of the content, then please go ahead and share this video with someone. Now, the next thing is going to be have a communication station. Now, you can have a dry erase board, you can have sticky notes, you can have whatever you need at that communication station. But it's going to be a great way for you and your roommate to communicate easily with one another. And yeah, it could get kind of messy over there, but the communication is going to be more important in you living together with another person. You definitely need to communicate. So this is essential in a dorm room. Now, this is a great way to get more space and stay more organized. And that is use the space under the bed. Under the bed space is going to be a great thing for you when you're in the dorm, because you're trying to figure out, okay, I have all this stuff, where am I going to put it? You can slide that stuff under the bed. They have different boxes and things that you can put under your bed to make it more organized, but you can use basically any kind of bin or clear bin. I would recommend a clear bin or any kind of box to put stuff in and put it under your bed. Your bed's gonna take up a lot of space anyway, and so this allows you to use that space even though the bed is there. Oh yeah, I just thought about this. Have you watched the other video I have on moving into the dorm? I have that video talks about all things you need to know and understand about moving into a dorm in the first time you meet your roommate. Go watch that video right now.